So you might be trying to figure out how you can use the new spatial recording on your iPhone 16. Now, doing it is actually very basic and it really doesn't require too much work at all. The very first thing I'd recommend doing here for the most part is very, very basic. You would just want to go ahead and just basically start off by opening up your camera application. So open up your camera app and then you'll come into this page. Now what you want to do next is you want to scroll over until you find the spatial recording option that comes up right here. Now immediately it tells us to rotate our phone. So you want to go ahead and rotate your phone, and then it says move farther away. So it depends on what you're trying to record. So in this case, let's say I was trying to record this, and it says more light recommended even though I'm in front of a light switch or whatever. So in this case, it's still going to tell us to move further away. But this is basically how you use it. You want to then go ahead and once you have everything kind of set up and it tells you more light or whatever, what I would recommend doing here is you can go through and you can even choose whether you want basically a photo or video option. So you can take spatial photos like this. If you want to take a spatial photo, you can take it this way. Or what you can do is you can click on it one more time and you can change it into a spatial video. So you can kind of configure out whichever way you want to. And that is a really cool option that you have here too. So you can kind of configure whichever way you want. But that's basically how it's done for the most part. And it's a really, really basic process. That's basically how you use spatial video or spatial photos. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.